Hey guys, Rhino here. So today we got a call and we're going to Badlands. Badlands is the place where I believe we have had the most difficult and most dangerous recovery ever. So if you want to see the recovery, I'm gonna leave a link up here. And today, my son, Angel, his friend Marco, and Ryan are here. They're gonna be, of course, helping my son and his friends. They're mainly here to do video editing. So, welcome to the team, guys. And we'll see, how everything goes. So the frontier is on a hill sliding down. On the pictures, it looks easy enough. Yeah. I was looking at the pictures. I'm like, yeah, it should be fairly easy. But once we get there, we're gonna find out how difficult it really is. So stick around. Thank you for coming along, and I'll keep recording once I get there. Hey guys, so I apologize if you can hear the wind sound. There's a lot of wind up here. So we are here on Gilman Springs, also known as Badlands. As you could see on the intro video, we have a Nissan Frontier. It's going sideways. We don't have much room to play with here, so let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what we're gonna do. Okay, so the plan is to come up that trail right there. There's a white split right there. We're gonna go through the lower portion of it. We have this trail coming up here. We don't want to take unnecessary risk right now. So we're gonna come up this lower trail, which seems to be a lot better, and come back up here. I'm gonna be parking somewhere over here. I will have an anchor in the back, okay? And from this angle, as you can see, it's a straight shot to the Frontier. So it's gonna be 300 to 400 feet maybe. We do have enough lines for it. So we're gonna be sending the line way over there. I'm gonna be here with Rhino holding it, pulling it this way, while somebody drives it out onto the trail again. Because the truck is a two-wheel drive. It's not even a four-wheel drive. The guy was able to make it, all the way out here. When he saw that drop on the other side, over here, he tried to back it up, and that's when he, slid sideways. Alright, so again we have two lines, one going from Rhino to the truck, and another one from the front of the truck to Bernie's. Let's go. So we got Ryan as volunteer today. He wants to feel alive. He wants to feel the adrenaline rush. Huh, Ryan? He said he's ready. Is it on drive and first? All right. Okay, we're ready. Are you ready, Alfredo?
Everything's ready.
All right, Bernie, start winching in slowly. Ryan, give it a little bit of gas as he goes. Hold on. He said hold.
Hold on, Mike. It's moving the truck. I'm going inside and push brake.
Just stop.
Okay, go Bernie. Give it a little bit of gas, brother. More. Slowly. Okay, wait for the winch. I think he's gonna have to re-rig. Hold on. Are you winching in, Bernie? Oh yeah, he is. Go. Slowly. Hold on. Make sure you don't go straight this way, okay? All right. Hold on. Go. This way. Straight first, yeah. There you go. Wait. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay, Bernie, stop. Slowly move forward. Slowly. Just like that. Keep that tires like that. No, too much. Like that. Slowly. Go. Slowly. Go. Keep going. Okay, slowly. A little bit more.
Deep brake on.
Oh, okay. Careful. Make it straight. All right, slowly back up. Slowly, yep, go for it. Watch it. Okay. Yeah. Turn. Slowly. Hold on. Let me put some tension. Hold on. Okay. So yeah, just make sure you have enough room on this side and keep backing up. Passenger. Yes. Now slowly there. More. Straight now. Straight. Yeah. Hold on. You're gonna go the other side.
Tension. Okay, ahí va. More. Keep it. Line up on the winch. Right back. Keep it straight. There you go. Keep it coming. It's okay. It's all right. There we go. In. Keep it coming. Slowly. There we go. Keep it coming. In. More in. That's fine. Keep doing that. It's coming. More in.
Okay, we got Bernie coming to this side of the hill, so it'll pull me to the passenger side. Because right now, because only one tire spins, it's trying to kick me to the driver's side, and that would be not good.
Let's do it again.
All the way down again. Okay, so we had Bernie move over to this side of the hill because we only have one tire spinning. So it is the passenger side, the one spinning. So it was kicking me to the driver's side. And as you can see, I don't have much room to play with. So I don't want to slide on this side of the mountain because then it would be crazy. However, we got a strap, using the winch down to Bernie. He's gonna keep control of me so the truck will not be sliding to the left. And hopefully that'll make a turn around here and then we can move forward that way. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so we moved Rhino out of the way. This is where we were sitting. And now the truck is out and we're gonna try to ride it all the way up the hill. It's a two-wheel drive again, no lockers, no limited slip. We lowered the air pressure. This hill right here has a little bit of a soft sand. So hopefully everything will go according to plan. Atención. Well, as you can see, guys, we got it all the way to the top. From here, it should be like really easy to drive out of here. We got it out. We got it in one, got it out in one piece. So thank you to all my team, here, and thank you to the team down there. They're not here right now, Ryan and Bernie. from here on, you know, it'll be easy.